We have an extraordinarily interesting final panel on implementation. Ultimately, any agreement that we reach, but which is not implemented, really makes no difference. So that's what we'll try to dive in here.
We need to have a political level, someone who is supposed to take decisions. We need to have the level of negotiators and communicators, and we have also people in charge of implementation.
The treaty is a disagreement reduced into writing. A lot of the peace agreements that we facilitate, some barely mask the disagreement. What do we do with such text that we know is not necessarily a reflection of genuine consensus?
It is critical to generate commitment to and ownership of the peace by the warring parties. So their commitments are not just formal, but they're internalized and will last.
We had a referendum process, the idea being to embed it and imbue it with a sense of public ownership, so that just didn't belong to political parties, but it belonged to people on the ground.
If you're going to have sustainable peace, you've got to address violations so that citizens feel that their experiences are being taken seriously and that there can be a genuine and deep reconciliation.
I think it's important that you do have that assertion of public ownership at the start, because there are precisely so many difficult things ahead.
The terms of any accord has to be sufficiently resilient to deal with those who would try to undermine it.
You need a heavy and effective system of monitoring and verification. The problem with such a noble idea is that how you get it together.
What needed to happen was the decommissioning of mindsets, because you could decommission all the weapons you wanted one day, but then if you still had it, you still felt you had a reason to use them, then you just go out and buy them the next day.
Ultimately, I think mediators and implementers must accept that they have a responsibility to learn the lessons of the past and of different implementation challenges.